Good morning, Alok.
Yes.
You are Alok?
Yes, sir.
Please relax. Okay. Please introduce yourself.
So my name is Alok. I am from Saran district, Bihar. I have completed my graduation from Jayaprakash University, Chhabra, and my hobbies are playing badminton, listening ghazal, and running.
You have studied at Durg.
Yes, sir. I have studied
And
Durg.
thereafter you came to Chhapra
Yes,
for
sir.
your graduation.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the reason for moving from Durg to Chhapra, and your second thing is your marks in the 10th to 12th to graduation has come down. What is the reason?
So first of all, when I was studying in matriculation in Chhabra, Central School Chhabra, after passing the matriculation, I found that no regular classes was going on in Chhabra. So I went to Dayanand Anglo-Vedic School, Hudko Bhilai, Chhattisgarh, and there is my sister also. That's why I found that it is much easy for me to take admission there and to study there. And after that, I went to Jayaprakash University, which is there in Chhabra. So I have equal approach and equal approach towards the matriculation and plus 2 and graduation, and but it was the syllabus which was quite difficult at plus 2 and graduation level for me, sir. That's why I think I was quite not able to concentrate, and in graduation also I was more focused on sports also. That's why I got a bit diverted.
Tell me about your family background, your parents, and who has affected your grooming in life.
So my father is an ex-man. He joined the service in 1969 and he retired in 1996 as an honorary Subedar. And he is also my inspiration to join uniformed services. And my brother is presently in army. He is posted at Mamun, Kent, Pathankot, and he is basically engaged in tank repair, especially T90 and T72, and previously Arjun tank was also there. And these are my inspirations, sir.
Tell me about your hobbies and interests.
So listening ghazal is my hobby. Running is also my hobby, and playing badminton. And in lockdown period, I became much familiar with cooking, sir, because I wasn't able to play badminton and I wasn't able to run. So cooking was also my hobby.
Running, what do you do?
So jogging and sprint.
What is the kilometer difference of speed between jogging and running?
So in jogging, we basically run at very slow speed, while in sprint we apply full stamina and full strength to achieve a short distance. For example, 100 meter or 200 meter.
Question was, what is the difference between jogging and running in the speed, kilometer per hour?
So, sorry, sir, I am not aware of this.
What would be the average speed for jogging?
Sorry,
by
sir.
intelligence, by your general awareness, what would be the speed for jogging?
So, it would be around normal running speed. I think that would be around 10 kilometer per hour.
Running or jogging?
So that would be running.
10 kilometers per hour. Have you done any long distance running?
So in my when I was studying in Dayanand Anglo Vedic School, I got a second prize in 15.
So what is the speed? In 1 hour you will run for 1 kilometer, 10 kilometers or more? What is the marathon? You must have
No, sir.
heard about the marathon.
Yes, I have heard about
What
marathon.
is the speed of a marathon runner generally? And in suppose 20 kilometer run or half marathon or full marathon, what is the in the TV? It keeps coming that so became fast. Every Sunday there is a run.
Yes.
So how much time they take in 20 kilometer, covering 20 kilometer? And marathon running is not very high speed running,
Yes, sir.
right?
So I don't know, sir.
And who's the India's number one athlete in 100 meter? And what is the record?
I think she is PT Usha, Pila Ulakandi Thereka Pirambil Usha.
Men?
And in men, I don't know, sir. It's Milkha Singh, sir.
What ghazals you sing? You sing?
Sir, I listen ghazal, sir. Sometimes I sing also.
Who's ghazal?
Ustad Jagjit Singh.
Jagjit Singh.
Yes, sir. And sometimes
What is his famous ghazal?
famous ghazals, some of the ghazals, for example, Sarakti Jaye, Rukh Se Naqab Ahista Ahista, and
Tell me the second line of it.
सरकती जाए रुख से नकाब आहिस्ता आहिस्ता उतरता है.
सरकती जाए है रुख से नकाब आहिस्ता आहिस्ता.
Yes, sir.
निकलता
निकलता-
आ रहा है आफ्ताब.
आफ्ताब आहिस्ता आहिस्ता. Yes, sir.
So you are saying you are master in ghazal and you like it. Best ghazal that you are saying that you are not aware. You know, if you have a hobby, you should know it. What is the reason of you giving Sahastra Sima Bal as first choice?
Sir, first of all, it is an adventurous job, and it is.
Between the five,
Sir.
all five are adventurous.
Yes, sir.
So why you have chosen Sahastra Sima Bal as one
So I do.
and CISF as 4 and CRPF as 4 and Central CRPF as 4 and CSF as 5.
So I do have respect to each and every forces. I am ready to join each and any of the forces, as each and every forces has equal stature and respect. But it was the order when I was looking at. I found that SSB operates in Bihar, and 5 battalions of SSB are there in Bihar, Nepal border, and 2 battalions are also engaged in anti-Naxal operations and anti-Maoist operations in Bihar, Jharkhand, and Odisha. So I think I would have got a chance to serve the nation while being in my home state. I belong to Bihar, sir.
So are you a homesick person?
No, sir. I'm not a homesick person, sir. Actually, I found that it gives me an opportunity to serve the nation while being in Bihar, and
Serve the nation while being in Bihar. You
Yes.
already served Bihar for long. Now you should be national. You should be having national views. Is it a central service or a state service?
it's a central service, sir.
So you are not looking at central service horizon? You don't want to see the country?
So I want to see the country.
So how will you see if your thinking is limited to Bihar?
So if I would not get selected in SSB,
Then you go for Bihar police service.
no, sir.
That will keep you there whole life. SSB, they may take you away for some other posting also. You may have to go to foreign.
So it was just a choice that I made Bihar as my SSB as my first reference.
What is the duties of Sahastra Sima Bal? When was it established?
It was established in 1963, and the duty of SSB is basically to guard the India-Nepal border and India-Bhutan border. And 2 battalion of SSB are also engaged in NDRF, that is National Disaster Response Force, and 5 BDDS, that is bomb detection and disposal squads is also there, and 2 squads are operating in Muzaffarpur and Gaya. So that is also a challenging job, and it was first established as a special service bureau, and its motto is service, security and brotherhood.
What is the total border that Sahastra Seema Bal would be guarding between India and Nepal? What is the kilometer?
That is, sir, it is 1,750 kilometers.
Tell me something about Indo-Nepal recent relations.
Sir, it was a Kalapani dispute, which was basically originating out of the dispute that where the origin of Kali River is there. So it was basically a confusion where does Kali River originates. As per the Sugauli treatment of 1816, Kali River was designated at the natural boundary between India and Nepal, but the origin of Kali River has not been mentioned there, and it has been a regular and a practice that the dispute arises out of this. In 2019, Nepal has released its political map, in which it has stated that Limpiadhura is the origin of Kali River, but India doesn't accept this, and as per the agreement, gradual agreement, which was made in 1957 also, Kalapani, which is a region just around Garbyang village, that India accepts as the origin of Kali River.
What is pin code of your place? Pin code?
841301.
Tell me, how is the pin code structured in India?
Sorry, sir, I don't have any idea about it.
You have met Chief Minister of Bihar
No, sir.
for 1 year. What are the 3 things will you see? You are looking for lot of passionate work requirements, or maybe you would like to do a lot of things for Bihar because you are working for Sahastra Seema Bal
Yes.
and want to be posted in Bihar. So suppose tomorrow a situation comes where you have to show your leadership and you are made the Chief Minister of Bihar. Knowing the problems of Bihar, what 3 things in priority you would like to do for Bihar?
First of all, the education, which is, I think, quite behind in Bihar, and as far as education is concerned, then as per the recent National Statistical Organization, 70.6% is the literacy rate of Bihar, which is quite low as compared to the national average, which is 77.7%. And in Bihar, we have teacher-student ratio very low. And besides this, I would focus on flood, which is also a very flood, which is also a very critical situation as far as Bihar geographical condition is concerned. As per the Bihar Disaster Management Authority, almost we have seen that almost 70% of Bihar geographical area is flood prone, which accounts 70.2% of flood prone areas of India. So this is also very high, and these are the 2 regions. So these are the 2
What regions?
Yes, sorry, sir.
First is education, flood.
Third is, sir, migration.
Migration.
Yes, sir. Most of the people of Bihar, due to lack of education and because of the poverty, migrate to other states in search of jobs. So that is also an issue which is grappling Bihar at a very fast rate, sir.
What is most embarrassing moment of your life?
So most embarrassing moment of my life was basically when I was studying in +2, and after passing +2, sir, I went for preparing for engineering services, and I took 2 years drop, sir. 1 year drop I took, and I prepared while living in Patna for IIT JEE entrance exam, but I wasn't able to qualify that, sir. Again, I consoled anyhow to my family that I would like to try once more, and in 2012 also I took 1 more year drop, and in that year I told them that this time I would be at home, and while being at home I will try my best, but at that time also I wasn't able to qualify for the same, and in 2013 I took admission in Jayaprakash University.
Suppose you don't qualify in this, what will you do?
So I will, sir, I will try my best in UPSC civil services, and as far as it is possible, sir, and BPSC also.
You will not attempt this second time?
Sir,
You will not attempt this exam again?
yes, sir, I have already applied for 2020, and I think that this is my second last term, and that is going to be my last attempt.
Are you confident that you will qualify this time?
Yes, sir, of course, I am confident.
Who's the role model and hero of your life?
So my role model is my father, and he is also my hero of my life, and as he has served the nation for 26 years, and he has retired with honorary rank, sir, which is very difficult to get, sir.
You have written his designation as Naib Subedar,
Yes, sir.
but you are saying honorary rank.
Yes, sir. Actually, it was it was in the paper. Actually, it was in the discharge book. Actually, it has been written in the same book.
Do you have any questions to ask?
No, sir. I am very happy.
Okay, thank you. Just wait. एक पिक्चर ले लो यहाँ से जरा, स्टिल जिसमें दोनों का आ जाएगा। आ जाएगा? तो यार थोड़ा खोल के लीजिए, अभी लीजिए। इधर देखिए आप। Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thanks.